In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links on Squarespace. If you're ready to start monetizing your content, or simply want to add affiliate links to your site, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and make it as seamless as possible. First up, open up your Squarespace website editor. This is your main workspace where you can modify your site, customize settings, and add new elements, like those affiliate links we're about to set up. Navigating to this part of your website is straightforward. Log into your Squarespace account and you should land on your dashboard from where you can access your site's editor. Once you're in the website editor, find the text where you want to add your affiliate link. Think strategically about where this link will be the most effective. It could be in a blog post, on a product page, or anywhere else that fits naturally within your content. Now, click on the text. This action will allow you to edit it. Clicking on the text opens up the editing options available in Squarespace. Look for the option labeled Edit and click on it. You're now entering the editing mode where you can make changes to the content of your site easily. Here you'll have access to text formatting tools and the option to insert links, which is exactly what we need. Next, you need to highlight the section of text that you want to link. Highlighting the text tells Squarespace that you want to connect this specific part of your content to an external URL, namely your affiliate link, in this case. Use your cursor to click and drag over the text you'd like to turn into a clickable link. With your text highlighted, it's time to click on the link icon that appears in your editing toolbar. This icon often looks like a small chain link and is universally recognized as the symbol for creating hyperlinks. By clicking on this, you're signaling your intention to associate your highlighted text with a web address. Now type in your affiliate link. Make sure you enter it correctly, as any errors could lead to broken links or missed referral opportunities. If you have an affiliate account with an external site, access your dashboard to find your unique affiliate link. Be precise in copying and pasting to ensure everything functions as intended. With your affiliate link now entered, go ahead and click on Save. This crucial step applies all your changes and updates your site with the new link in place. After saving, it's always a good idea to preview your site to ensure that the link operates smoothly and directs visitors to the correct URL. And there you have it. Adding affiliate links on Squarespace is a straightforward task that, with just a few clicks, can help you enhance your site's utility and even generate some additional income. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Squarespace tips and tricks.